What's up everybody, Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over the Pentair Easy Vac and what comes in the box. Stay tuned. And we're back. So today again we're going to go over the Pentair Easy Vac suction side pool cleaner, and I'm going to show you guys what comes included in the box. So I already pre-cut it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you and show you everything that comes included. Alright, first things first. You got your awesome teal pleated seal. This will go on the bottom of the cleaner. This is actually what rubs against the bottom floor of your pool and helps clean and push everything towards this center hole here, so then that way the cleaner can do its job. So pretty, made of good high quality grade plastic. It's really good, it'll hold up to your pool. So next I'm going to pull out the full cleaner here. So you can tell it comes a little pre-assembled, but it does come with its deflector wheel off, so you will end up having to install this separate. It's got a nice little hose weight on it here, so that way it kind of helps keep the cleaner on the bottom of the pool to do its job. You get a nice pretty clean foot pad here on the bottom. I know you guys can't see it on the camera right now, but there's some nice pretty edges here, and one good way you can check on the bottom of the cleaner here to see if you need to replace this is if these get worn down to where they're almost flat to the rest of the foot pad. And then that's how you know you need to change that. I'm going to show you guys how to install this nice part. It's really easy. It's got little slots down here on the bottom, so you just slide that in and kind of bend it back, and it actually goes up through the slots in the top. So you actually get this nice pretty look on your cleaner, where you'd actually have your hoses hooked up here, and then obviously you'd have your pretty little teal seal here on the bottom where it'll actually vibrate across the bottom of your pool. So, alright, what else we got in here? So every Pentair cleaner comes with its nice little bag of goodies. So they all differ on what's included in the bag, but typically they kind of have around the same things in the bag. So included in here, you got your handy dandy user manual. Make sure you read this. We like to think our videos are great, but make sure that you read these so then that way you know what to do with installation processes. It does come with a warranty card. Make sure that you keep this, follow the instructions on here, and get your warranty made because it's huge. Pentair offers great warranties on the cleaners, and you want to make sure that you do this as soon as you get the cleaner. Some little cool fun safety tips for your pool and just for regular usage. It goes over a bunch of different stuff. Check it out, it's really cool, very interesting. Next thing, you got your regulator valve with a cap. This actually will go into the skimmer of your pool, so you want to read the instructions to find out if this is even necessary for your pool, but they do give you one just in case. Some pools require the skimmer inside the actual weir door area, and so they give you a nice little hose protector here. You want to actually feed this over that hose before you plug it into your suction side, so then that way the hose doesn't rub constantly against your tile or your pool deck or whatever you have right there around the outside of your pool. This is crucial. We do sell these separately if you guys need these. They do wear down, they do take a lot of beatings, so make sure. The next thing we got is the big old hose weight. So this one actually comes with just one single huge hose weight. Again, read the instructions, it'll tell you where to place this and how to use it properly. Make sure you check that out. Alright, we also got a flow gauge. So again, make sure you read the manual. The manual will show you how to use this, but it actually shows you where you want to have your flow be on your suction side for the cleaner to work properly. You want to try to get this white dial here in between the minimum and maximum, so then that way it actually does work properly for you and you don't have any issues. Another big thing is you got the threaded compression adapter. This will actually screw down into your skimmer section, so then that way you can actually shove the hose in here. It's got some little teeth. It'll actually grab the hose really well. That way you don't have to worry about trying to plug the hose directly into your skimmer. This is great. Make sure you keep this. The last thing that comes in here is just a little eyeball diverter. This eyeball diverter is only needed if you actually use it around the edge of your pool. I mean, if you don't need it, obviously keep it. It's great to have around, but it's not always necessary. Put all these back in there real quick. Alright. So the last thing that this cleaner comes with is a big old box of hoses. So as you can see, these hoses are not the normal size for your regular suction side cleaner. They are smaller. Typically you're looking at about 39-inch hoses. These are about 36, and you still get 12, which is great. So it will work on the majority of pools. And you can always buy these directly from us too if you need additional hoses, but they are a nice pretty teal color like the cleaner itself. I don't have this open right now, so I can't really show you that right now, but take my word. So all in all, this Pentair EasyVac suction side pool cleaner is really cool. It's the lower side of the suction side pool cleaner, so it is cheaper. So if you're just looking for something quick and easy to use, this will work for you. Otherwise, I do suggest getting something a little bit better. It will last up to your pool a little bit better, but that's what comes in the box with it. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.